Hi, my name is Navin. Welcome to my channel Learn Next AI. If you are a manual tester looking to move into automation, this video is specially for you. The most question I heard from manual testers is, I know manual testing execution, but how do I start automation? So that was the big question for them. They are having good product knowledge and they are having good domain knowledge as well, but still they are lacking some automation knowledge. Because of that, they are losing their confidence to learn automation skills. And the real secret is companies are not looking for the automation script writers anymore. They want automation engineers who can design scalable automation frameworks. So today I am going to teach you what is test automation framework, what components it contains, how we build a framework step by step. So before jumping into the topic, just I want to have a general discussion. So that is, we all know about pizza, right? So every time when we order the pizza, the taste and the quality, they never miss, right? So how that is possible actually? So are they following any kind of rules and regulations to prepare the quality product? I think yes. Based on the order, they prepare the base and the ingredients and the temperature of the oven, and everything will be calculated and everything will be measured, right? So that was the reason to get the quality of the output, right? So that is the best analogy here to compare with this automation framework. So let me share my screen to give more insights on this analogy. So today topic is test automation framework. Okay, how to design our own test automation framework from the scratch. So what are the precautions we need to take, and what is the purpose of automation framework, and how many types of frameworks we have. So all these details we are going to discuss. This is the best analogy of a pizza making kitchen. So if we see this, just try to understand this. Just imagine if there is no any proper documentation of recipes, and if they don't have proper tools, and if they don't have ingredients, and if they don't have proper cooking ovens. So in that case, every chef will prepare a pizza in different way, right? So the taste will change and the quality will change, right? So obviously the taste and the quality will change. This is the another image of pizza kitchen analogy. Test automation framework is like a pizza making system. This is my analogy. Test automation framework is like a pizza making system where recipes, tools, and quality checks are standardized, so anyone can make pizzas quickly and perfectly. So here my analogy is, standard recipes is nothing but coding guidelines, right? And ingredients means reusable utilities. So we will discuss what are all these things: coding guidelines, reusable utilities, and preheated ovens is nothing but tools and configurations. Okay, we will discuss all these things. Don't worry about right now about these things, terminologies: coding guidelines, reusable utilities, tools and configuration, and assertions and reportings. Okay, we are going to discuss all these things while we are doing a live framework design. So at the time I will explain each and every technical term of all these things. So just this is a small comparison, pizza kitchen versus a framework. Oven is like a tool, and chef is like a automation engineer, and same taste every time we are getting, right? So that is nothing but consistent results. We'll talk about this later. Okay, and delivery tracking, reports, and dashboards, right? So finally, what is test automation framework? So these are the definitions, and we are going to discuss all these things in the next video. Right now, just a brief introduction of framework I am going to give you. What is test automation framework, right? A structured set of guidelines, tools, and best practices for automating software test. So just to compare this with pizza making kitchen, so they have guidelines to prepare the pizza, and they have a best tools, and they have a software as well in their making process, automation tools they have. So because of all these things, they are getting the best quality, right? So every time the same taste, that is nothing but a quality, right? So here just analyze framework definition with the pizza making kitchen. And the second point is it includes libraries, test data handling as well available, and reporting mechanism. Many reports are available, so we can add those reports to these frameworks. And reusable components. Okay, reusable components are nothing but like one time we can write and many times we can use. And the third point is goal. What is the goal of this automation framework? Make testing faster, more reliable, and scalable than manual efforts. This is another funny image. Just I have generated this image with nano banana. Wherever you go, how many pizzas you order, the quality will be same. So that is the efficiency, we can say. So coming to the topic, so why do we need framework? See, these are the main concepts here: reusability, maintainability, scalability, consistency, and reporting and insights integration. So all these are the main reasons to have a framework. So what is reusability, what is maintainability, what is scalability? So all these things we will discuss while doing the coding. Major components of test automation framework. So for now, you guys please think these are the items, as well as you can think these are the tools, these are the ingredients of pizza making kitchen. Okay, for now just think only in that way. Okay, I will explain what is test script and what are the locators, what are the page objects, and what kind of data we have, how to manage that data, and what are the utilities and helpers, and what kind of reportings we can add over there, and configuration. So what is that configuration actually? So what is environment settings? So all these things we are going to discuss. For now, these are the only pizza making kitchen ingredients or tools or whatever you can think. Okay, types of test automation frameworks. So here these are the types of test automation frameworks. Again, here one question is how to decide your test automation framework. So here we have these many, right? So how I can pick data driven, how I can pick key driven, how to pick a hybrid framework. So these are depends on your project requirement as well as the data whatever you have in your test scripts that decides your framework. Okay, so here data driven framework, same test with different inputs. Suppose if you have a login page, that login page is having 1000 username and passwords. In that case, the 1000 usernames and password will be the data here, and the same data, with the same data we are trying to execute only single login page. Yes, this is the data driven framework. So for the data for that particular 1000 usernames and password, we are using this Excel and JSON file and CSV file, whatever you can use. And key driven framework. So keyword driven is just like a keywords preparation. Just log in, navigate to that, come out from that page, enter to that page. So these are the keywords. Using these keywords, anyone can write automation. So POM, page object model. So this is many UI automation scripts are in this page object model only. So Selenium and Playwright, all these frameworks are in this page object model. And hybrid frameworks, mix of multiple frameworks. Yeah, all these frameworks we can add together, and that is nothing but multiple frameworks we can have. And with that we'll get all these kind of features, data driven as well as keyword driven as well as page object model. So everything can be in one single framework. So almost every company and every application will have hybrid frameworks most of the times. And coming to the BDD, nowadays most of the people are using BDD as well. BDD with the JavaScript, BDD with the Python, many people are using. I mean Cucumber with Python, Cucumber with Java, Cucumber with JavaScript. So yeah. And AI driven, this is the AI driven frameworks. This is AI driven framework, autonomous and self-healing test it is having. And these are the tools: Testim, Mabel, Playwright with AI. So Playwright with AI is having a lot of hype in the market, as well as that is open source. Because of that open source, it is many companies are using this Playwright AI. So Playwright is right now Playwright is having AI concepts like MCP as well as agents. Recently they have added. So because of all these reasons, Playwright is considered as a good tool, good automation tool right now in the market. So this is the example simple structure of Playwright. So how the framework will be, uh, just these are the tests and pages and the data and utils, configs, reports, package.json. So all these are just this is the basic structure I'm showing right now, and we will do the similar kind of project in the next video. So till now I hope everything is clear. So this is just analogy I'm explaining in this video. So this is only for manual testers as well as whoever is juniors, is a freshers. For them as well this is applicable. But I tried to explain with a small analogy. Don't just write scripts, build a framework. Till now I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubts about framework, please do a comment. I will reply to that. And in the next video we are going to discuss about actual framework and how to design a framework from the scratch using AI, and what are the main components in that, and how to use those components, and how to create a efficient framework. So all these things will be discussed in the next video. Just I try to explain by comparing pizza and framework, right? So just to try to understand that. Okay, that's it. And if you like this video, do subscribe and like. Thank you very much. We'll meet you in the next video.